Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Apple Invite on iPhone. So if you want to download and install Apple Invite app on your phone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do for you to be able to install the Apple Invite app on your phone is just to open the Apple Store icon on your phone. This is it here, App Store. Tap on it, then you can tap on the search bar right here and tap on the search bar. Once tap on the search bar, then this will bring out the search option. So from here, just input the Apple Invite, then this is it right here, Apple Invite. Tap on it, then for you to be able to download it, tap on Get. Then your phone will require a form of confirmation, which is through your Face ID or your passcode. Once you confirm your Face ID, then tap on install, and the Apple will install the app automatically and install it. The Apple will download the app and install it automatically on your phone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.